judicial passages, criminal judgment in shorthand, dictation speed, start. On intervention by witnesses, accused went away while firing at the site, full stop. Seeing the Arshad dead at the spot and Zahir as injured, complainant went to report the crime. When police met him at Adda Mand, where Muhammad Amjad ASI PW 15 recorded his statement. XPN and reached at the place of occurrence, full stop, para. Deceased and injured were attended by the police when arrived at the place of occurrence, and completed all formalities like preparation of injury statement of injured, inquest report, application for postmortem of deceased, collection of 40 bullet casings, blood stained earth, dispatch of dead body and injured to mortuary and hospital respectively, recording of statements under section 161 CRPC and all other allied functions due in investigation, later issuance of warrants and proclamations, arrest and recovery of weapons from the accused persons as detailed in judgment of trial court, full stop. Muhammad Amjad ASI PW 15, Razak Ahmed SI PW 16, Ikram Shahbaz SI PW 8, Amanat Ali ASI PW 9, Muhammad Afzal SI PW 7 time to time had conducted investigation of this case and ultimately report under section 173 of CRPC was submitted before the court, full stop. When charge sheeted, the accused pleaded innocence and claimed trial, whereupon, apart from above investigating officers, the prosecution proceed, Zahir Abbas PW1, Muhammad Iqbal PW2 and Skandar Hayat PW3, who furnished the ocular account of the occurrence, full stop. Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed PW10 conducted post-mortem examination on the dead body of Arshad, deceased, whereas Dr. Muhammad Javed PW17 and medically examined Zahir Abbas, injured, while rest of the witnesses are all formal in nature and they made statements in respect to their functions performed during the course of investigation, full stop. The prosecution tendered some relevant reports and closed its case, whereafter, the accused persons, when examined under section 340 CRPC, full stop, refuted the prosecution evidence, however, the present appellants produced certain documents in defense but not opted to appear in the witness box as required under section 340 CRPC, and ultimately the trial ended in the result as detailed above, full stop. Through criminal appeal number 53656 2019, Ehsanullah alias Munshi and Salim alias Sammu, accused oblique appellants, have challenged their above conviction, whereas, through criminal revision number 58451 2019, Skandar Hayat, witness oblique brother of deceased, has sought enhancement of sentence against the appellants, full stop. Both these matters are being decided through this single judgment.